So you're welcome to the first LeetCode solution that we're working on. I'm going to be trying my best to simplify the solution, and also I want you to pay attention. So let me try to read it. So the first one is to sum. It says given an array of integers, nums, and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. So what we are trying to do is, we have two variables that are in this tax. The first one is num and the second one is tax. Let me put my scatter. So here's it. We have two variables in this tax. The first one is nums, which is an array and array of integers, and the second one is target. So what we are trying to do here, being simplified, is what we are trying to do here being simplified is in this array we need two numbers that if we add them up is going to equate to 9. So if I add 2 plus 7 up is 9. If I add 2 plus 11 up, that's 13, it doesn't give us 9. If I add 2 plus 15 up, that's 17, it doesn't give us 9. So what we need is the index of the two numbers or two integers that gives us 9. So in this place, we have the integer of 0. In this place, we have the integer of 0. In this place, we have the integer of 0 and 1. So if I have something like, let's do another example. If I have something like 3, 2, 4, and I have the target of 6, so I knew that 3 plus 2 is 5, 3 plus 4 is 7, that can work. 2 plus 4 is 6, so I'm having the index of 1 and 2. In case you don't know, if you are new to array, we are talking about array. This first one is not number 1, we call it index, which is 0. So this second one is 1, this third one is 2. Based on indentation, this fourth one is 3. So just in case you don't know indentation is just the way the element is being stored in indentation in the memory. So these two is located on the index of 0 in the memory. So that's what we are trying to do with all this. So we have two ways we can solve this. The first way is by making use of brute force, or making use of hash map. So brute force, what are we trying to do in brute force? Brute force is just simple. We are trying to take out all the elements in the array, and we are trying to combine both together by any method, right? We are trying to give it a force. Okay, is it 2 plus 7, right? That will give us 9. Is it 2 plus 11? Is it 2 plus 15? Is it 2 plus is it 7 plus 11? So that's what we are trying to do. We are just trying to jam pack everything, add everything up in order to give us the target. So just imagine we have the element in this array. Let's imagine that is up to 20, right? We are going to be trying to compare everyone, right? That's close to like 100 times they are going to be doing the comparison, or even 1,000 times. So that's why I say if we are going to be solving this with brute force, it's going to be in 2 loops, and we are also going to is a concept called big O notation, right? And the complexity is going to be giving us O n2. And here in the instruction we are given that can you come up with an algorithm that is less than O into, right, 10 complexity. So if we are going to be making use of something like this in this solution, it might take a lot of time, right, based on the input. So that's why we are going to make use of the second step, which is the hash map. So hash map is just a fast way of looking up a container to avoid checking every piece. So we can, okay, let's say that for hash map I can, let's say that this thing is up to like 20 elements. I can just say that okay, 2 plus 7, then I can just move 2 plus 15. I can just there's a way that I can just fly or just go from, instead of me checking it individually, I can be able to easily compare it fast, and I actually just need just a loop for that. So let's give it the solution here. So I have this already. It comes with the it comes with the uh, yeah, it comes with the LeetCode. So let me have this called const, okay, same is equal to new dot map. Okay, it's going to be a number and also a number. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to create a simple object. Then after that, I'm moving to looping this at I is equal to 0, right? If I is lesser than nums dot length, and I'm just trying to create a simple loop in this place, and yeah, let's um okay, current number, let's is going to be numbers dot high. So I'm trying to get a current number with this, right, on each. Then let me use let's our needed number, that is going to be target minus current number. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to get the first number, which is 2, right? Then it's going to be 9, which is the target, minus 2, which is going to be 7. So here I want to declare an if else statement, which is going to be if sin dot has, if it has the needed number, it should return um you should return um the sin dot, okay, you should return um should return else uh, else if you go same dot set, which is the current number and the index, then return this. Oh, two some 2, 7, 11 and 15. I have my target. I'm trying to check this out. It should return same.has. Okay, yeah, let me test it out. Um, if you return which is the needed number, um, I'm testing the results. I've been having back. Okay, good. So submit. Yeah, it was accepted. Yes, thank you.